Hi, my name is Mike Rumble and I am the owner and managing director of Lie Detector Test UK Services Limited. That's www.liedetectortest.org. O-R-G. Please make sure you type the O-R-G in. There are people out there that try and copy our data. Anyway, let's go on to why I'm making this short video today. I've been waiting for a time lapse, so now legal proceedings are finally finished. I wanted just to speak about a safeguarding issue that we dealt with going back now nearly 2 years. We were contacted by a client who required a polygraph on his partner. When we met, we had serious concerns about the behavior and what seemed to be coercive control. To cut a very long story short, we became witnesses in a police case against that gentleman. Now, I believe that the victim in this case has already gone through enough trauma, so I'm not going to name either party, but I'm just going to tell you about the circumstances. We were notified on the 10th of October 2023 by the criminal justice system, the Victim and Witness Service Centre for West Mercia Police in Malvern in Worcestershire, that the case was going ahead and that the defendant would be charged with assault on the person times 5. So it's 5 separate instances of assault and 5 separate charges. Assault a female 13 and over by penetration with part of the body. That's against the Sexual Offences Act of 2003. Sexual assault on a female times 2. And engaging in controlling and coercive behaviour in an intimate stroke family relationship. Now, I have waited for the statutory time for appeal to go. In fact, I've given it extra time just to be certain. But we've also received since then, in September of last year, the notice that the defendant had gone to court and he's been pleaded guilty to the following charges. 1, controlling and coercive behaviour in an intimate and family relationship. That's contrary to the Serious Crime Act of 2015. 2, assault occasioning actual bodily harm, Section 47 Offences Against the Person Act. And there are 4 more of those offences, similar offences, assault occasioning actual bodily harm, then listed below there. He did, however, plead not guilty to assault by penetration, and it was decided that that case would lie on file. I just wanted to point out that there are benefits to the polygraph, but it can also be used as an implement for coercive control. And when you instruct a polygraph examiner, I want you to make sure that you check their background correctly, because they can be the lifeline between somebody who is in that situation and because of their experience, they can identify it, but they can also deal with, in inverted comma, the consequences, i.e. providing evidence to the police, and if need be, attending any legal proceedings at court. Myself and other members of my staff, as well as being polygraph examiners, are former police officers. We have also qualified with the Law Society as accredited police station representatives, so we can represent people who have been arrested as well. So we've been both sides of that, defence and prosecution, and we've got the experience. We've given evidence in Magistrates Court, Crown Court, the Royal Courts of Justice, Coroner's Court, Civil Court, and even in tribunals to do with employment. So our experience is there, our experience is vast, and our experience is there to support you. So if you require a polygraph test for any reason, be it infidelity, theft, go on our website, have a look. There are a number of blogs on there that you'll be able to go through and obtain most of the information, if not all of the information, one would hope, to answer any questions that you may have. There's a frequently asked questions site as well. However, as you can see here, you can have a free consultation just by dialing us on 0203 965 1755. That consultation is free and you will never ever be pressured to book. So, thank you for listening. I hope you can see that there is more than one side to the value of the polygraph if you instruct the right people, the professionals. Lie Detector Test UK Services Limited, www.liedetectortest.org. Thank you for listening.